Welcome back, Algebra 1 students, to another video of our Unit 5 study guide. We're going to be working with problem number 3. Number 3 says, suppose a bacterial population of 1 million has been increasing by a factor of 2 every hour. The bacterial population can be described by the equation 1 million times 2 to the power of t. What is the size of the population at t of -5? So right here, we just got to plug in this -5 into my t. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take this. P is equal to 1 million. So 1 million times 2 to the power of -5. How much is that? So again, we take out our calculator. We do 1 million. Careful, because it's a big number. Let me see how many zeros I got so far. I think that is enough. Yes, that's enough zeros. Times 2 to the power of. All right, be careful. A lot of you confuse the negative with the minus sign. Is a negative sign up here? No, that's the minus sign. The negative symbol is down below next to the decimal. So you'd have to click here and then 5. So that's -5. All right. If you try putting the minus sign, it's going to give you an error message. So make sure you click on that negative sign if it's a negative, or if you're subtracting, make sure you click the subtraction. Okay, because then the calculator will mess up and say that it's an error. Then you hit enter, and I get 31,250. So P is equal to 31,250. So P is equal to 31,250. Perfect. I figured out what T of -5 means. So then I'm looking at this problem here, and it's telling me what T of -5, whoops, typo. What does T of -5 mean in terms of this situation? Well, that means this means 5 hours, because we're talking about hours. Remember, T means hours. Oh man, it sucks because this problem doesn't tell you that T is hours. But we can pretty much figure it out because this is every hour. So T means time. And what are we talking about in terms of time? We are talking about hours, okay? So going back to my sentence, 5 hours, whoops, not 5. 5 hours before the population was 5 hours before the population, no, not was, is a million, is 1 million. 5 hours before the population is 1 million, it was 31,250. So that's what my problem means. I know it's a lot, but like I told you in the previous video, it is very important for us to be able to explain what the math means in a real world situation, not just be able to calculate stuff, okay? If you have any questions, rewind the video or ask me in person if I am in the class with you. But if not, see you in the next one.